Hi everybody, I have been asked to do a quick tutorial on how to save for Facebook. So here is my photo. This is practically straight out of camera. You can see I've just changed a little bit of highlights and vibrance and things. I'm going to take that quickly into Adobe Photoshop. Normally at this point you would edit it, but honestly I'm fairly happy with it. There's only a couple of little bits and pieces here that I would remove, but I won't worry about that for this tutorial. It's not about how to edit. It's just about how to save for the Facebook so it doesn't look all yucky. So what I do, this is what happens when you get it straight out of camera, by the way. Very little editing needed. Okay, so I go to image, I go to image size, the height, resolution will be 72, height will be 960, and I click OK. That's it, done. I then go 100% so I can see what it looks like. Beautiful. Filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. Radius goes down to 2 or 3. And my amount, 150 or so. Threshold can be 0. Click OK. File, save as, and save it as a JPEG. I've already done this. I won't write over it, but then you just put the amount as the compression to 10 and save, and that's it. That's the end of that tutorial. If you do have any problems, just message me and ask, but that's as quick as it should be. Thanks for watching.